Hi guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a Ferrari F12 Superfast. The customer wanted to have a unique security for his vehicle, something that will protect his car. So we installed our IGLA Anti-theft pin code system. This is a very unique device. It's miniature, small, pretty much impossible to find. You don't have to carry an extra remote, you don't have to carry anything. All you have to do is press a sequence of buttons and the car will start and drive. Now the sequence of buttons is not an external device, so you won't have a keypad somewhere and you have to press it and then everybody can copy it. The sequence of buttons is utilizing the factory controls, meaning buttons like cruise control, high beam, and other buttons can be utilized for the system. You can press 3 times to 20 times. You can press one button. You can press 4 or 5 buttons 2 times each. There is no limitation of the combination you can make. So that's something nobody can copy, nobody knows that you're doing, and that's the advantage of having this system installed. Without this, you won't be able to drive away, even if you have the key. Now, the system works. By the way, we have done this Lamborghini, the Lambo here, also got an IGLA installed to protect it. Now it's the turn for the Ferrari. So I have access to the vehicle. I have the keys for the car. I'm gonna press the brake and I'm gonna try to start the car and let's hear what's happening. Here the engine tries, but the car won't start. Now I'm gonna enter my sequence of buttons. The buttons, like I said, can be utilized, different buttons in the vehicle, and you can utilize different combinations. I'm gonna enter my code. I'm not gonna show it, but again, it doesn't matter even if you know the code, as the entering the code can be changed and you can change it as many times as you want without limitations. So I'm gonna enter my code. Now I'm gonna get my confirmation. So as you can see, I saw my cruise control as a confirmation and I also had sound, and at this point I would be able to start the vehicle. This vehicle does require you to cycle to be able to start, so we're going to turn the ignition off and press the brake and the car will start. And at this point the car is running. The IGLA anti-theft system is available for a variety of cars. It will protect your car. Nobody can copy your code. You don't have to carry bulky remotes or rely on other stuff. Put the IGLA to protect your car today. See you next time. Have a good day.